Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about blogging. What is blogging and what type of blogging we are having with us. And we are going to understand how to write a blog and what are the options we need to turn on before writing a blog. How to configure SEO for a blog so that it could be search on the Google or such search engines. How we can list, how we can ask Google to check our blog for technical configuration and all. So this thing, entire thing we are going to discuss with in this today's session. So let me share my screen with you. So initially what we are doing, we used to have a platform which where we can show our blog content and why blog and why it is required, and how we can earn money, how we can configure it with the lot of Google accounts, and how we can link it for placing the ad by Google or something like that. So we'll go through that AdSense, and we go through all Google Analytics tool, how to add this entire thing. So we are going to understand. We first blogger.com, the configuration and all, and then we go for a website where we are going to create a one more blog. So initially I use Google blog system, so it is blogger.com. .com. It's a platform by Google where you can publish your blog, and just you need to search blogger. I will open a incognito window and then I'll show it to you. You need to search blogger.com only, and once you go to the blogger.com, so you can see that there is a we need to log in with the Google account as well. So you should have a Google account before creating, or any email account before creating the blog. So yes, I am having my account. So you need to log in with your any of the email ID. Like I'm having this account with this. So here I need to enter. I have login, so I will directly go to that. So this is the screen look like, and you will see that you want to create a blog. So you can create a blog. You need to create a blog by this pressing this drop down. I have multiple blogs with me. So I'll start one blog here. This is a fresh blog I'm talking about. So this blog might be of anything related to the topic you want to uh, uh, generate content for, something news content, something technical content, or you want to teach something. So then you can write a blog for that. So I'll take it digital marketing. So I'll generate a blog for digital marketing where I'm going to teach the things to the people about digital marketing program. So need to add the address, initial address, and remember because this is free blog, so we will get this blogspot.com as a URL of the blog. So this complete URL of the blog is going to be shared. So you need to decide a very crispy name so that anybody can recognize and recall the name. So there should be like Digitech or anything like that. So it is showing that this address is not available. So digital marketing, you can see that. No, it is also not available. So you need to find something interesting. So I will add marketing. So I will add one more G. If I want to continue with this one more G, then it is not available. You can see this is not available. This is not available. This is not available. So a lot of people are having blog like this with the name of this. So we can add underscore into it, and we'll see that how much either we are getting this blog name or not. So we can add 2024 as well. So still it is not available with us. So we add one more underscore here. So it is not available. So marketing, we add one G. Oh, it is a difficult name, I think. I think a lot of companies are using this. You can see it is not available. So Digitech. So we think something different. So we write for digital SEO, social media SME. So this is again not available. Oh my God. So we need to add some something which should be available with us. Digital Sandeep. We can write this. Sandeep Singh. This is available. So digital Sandeep Singh is available. So we click on save. So we get this kind of window here. And for this, we need to just a minute. Yeah, we need to write a post. That post can be included by the, you can say, video, or it can have some of images, text, and there we need to understand that what is the importance of a blog exactly. So first we need to think about title. What would be the first title? So we decide that basic of you can say what is SEO. So then this is the title. If this is a title, then it should be on a header side. It should be a major heading for your top for this blog. And because if we see it into the HTML hierarchy, so the crawler comes to your page, so it will notify, it will check for header tags that what are the topic for the blog. So once we get that this is a topic, then it will check the relevancy of the content of the blog. So then this would be the title, and this can be the title for a blog as well. We can copy this, we can paste here, and then you can start writing the blog. And for writing the blog, we will use some images for that. So we need some interactive images. So what we can do, we can create some images, like for example, digital marketing, yeah, SEO. So we can have something which tells about what should know about SEO. So that image can be configured with this tool. This is I'm using Canva tool here, and you also get a lot of images here about your topic on page SEO function and all. So this helps to create the images which is required for your blog and all. It will give you a lot of templates. So I'll take this template and I want to configure that, then I will configure it. So it gives me a ready-made image here, what you should know about SEO, so that I can directly use. So I can this is my image, and I can download directly, and I can use that image as well. So you want to use it with a transparent background, so you can download this image by transparent background as well, or you want to use it like that, then you can download this. Or you want to edit something into it, like you want to change a background or something like that, you also can do that. So I'll save this image somewhere in my computer. I saved to my desktop, and so I save here. Right. So this image is saved to my machine. Then I directly go to my blog and I need to add this image for this. So you can upload the image by using this upload option. So we have created one folder over the desktop, and we can directly select this image and that would be added to your blog. So for this image, you need to add few information like this. What would be the alternate tag? What happened? People are missing out this. That what would be the uh, alter tag for this image? So we add this here and here. So I want to choose for extra large image. You want to go for a large image. You can select any of it. So I always prefer to go with some extra large. So it comes over the screen. And then after that, you can start writing the blog, and that you can use anything to write the blog. For example, right now we leave it like that, and we generate it by what is SEO explain. So we generate that content for as of now, but I never prefer to generate content in such scenario because it is not recommendable, right? So in that case, I'll just copy a few things, and what it should have some statistical information as well. It should not be like that you have copied, paste, and something like that. It should have some information, additional information, valuable information, and do not write any blog with the help of AI, because again once crawler come to your content, it would put you the category of like low quality content. So that should not be there, right? So low content is there, then you would might be then the problem. So that should not be there. Like here, I'm just removing the text right now because it is not pasted, copy pasted complete. uh, so I will copy the content and paste it here. So it looks better now, and also you can add a lot of things, like now. So if you want to add some video into this, so I have my video on my channel, so I'll upload this from my channel. Uh, SEO by Sandeep Singh. So we look for the video. This is off page SEO, but this is my channel exactly. So I can take this video because that is created by me. So no issue in this. So what I need to do is simply I need to click on this button. If you have any video in your machine, so you can upload video from your computer as well. Otherwise, you can go with the YouTube video. Then you need to copy and paste the URL here. And once you copy paste the URL, so it will ask you to insert it. So it will be inserted to your document. So now this is what I'm telling you, how to write the content. A lot of things, graph, images you can do, and always keep in mind this topic like this. So you need to select this as a subheading or heading, because when the crawler comes to your system, it reads that. So that should be mentioned properly into the any block. What I want to say is so this is about SEO. We want to write something about SEO, and you should cover fact and figures. The most important thing, you need to categorize your blog, that what is that blog about is. So you can write like this is for digital marketing. So this is a group you are creating for such blogs, and as it is for SEO. So that these are the two things you have added over here. And after that, you need to click on the location that from where you are posting it. So you can mention the location here. And also there are some options of adding information like meta information, that that your blog is going to be searched out. So even you can at last you can add by Sandeep Singh. So this would help you to recognize by this. And then you can press to the publish button. Once you confirm it, it is going to be published. So what happened exactly? you have written a blog and you have posted a blog, but most of the people are thinking that this is going to be popular. No, this is not going to be popular, because Google is now, you have posted something, but how it is going to be listed on search engine? For that, we need to configure our blog. So first we need to check that how this blog is going to look like. So you need to click on view blog button, and it looks like this only. So it looks like pretty simple, like this the photograph, there is no menu and something like that. I'll show you one of my blog that how it looks like. So this is a blog for news and all. Once you click on that and you want to see that blog, so this blog is configured properly, and I have added the top menu here, I have added the logo, and I have added my sub menus into this, and this contact us page is there where uh, anyone can directly connect to me and they can submit the queries to me. And I have WhatsApp button here, they can directly connect me to me with the WhatsApp help as well. And I have configured the top, which was the latest news. This is because this is a news blog. So, and on the right side, I'm having the category that these are the news I have posted, and these are divided into the category. So that should be look like that, and all the social media accounts are connected here. And if you want to search anything, then search button is also here for searching content throughout of the blog. So this is a well configured blog, and this looks like a website. So how you are going to configure this? So again, we have a process for that. So now we move to the configuration of the blog. Initially, we have gone through the process, which was the channel blog, digital marketing. So do we have any post here? What was the blog? Yeah, this is the blog, right? So here, so you can see there is no view on this blog. So what you need to do, you need to share this some platform. You can copy this link, and after copying this, you can post it to your different social media accounts. So I prefer to post this on twitter.com. So you can write a post, and you by this you can paste a link here, and you can write, you need to write the topic for this. So our topic is, this one is our topic. I need to select the topic. And once I post it here, you can see. So it start displaying on my page, and once it will be posted. So I'll need to check that how many people have seen that. So I posted some of the blog. You can see 4, 6 views, 5 views, and this is 7, 6, 9, and this is 81, 12. So that totally depend upon, I will tell you that how you can write a blog for a trending topic that we are going to discuss as well. Slowly we understood the thing. So in this, now we refresh the page again. Once we refresh the page, yeah. So once we refresh the page, you can see the views are increases, because that is posted on our social media platform, which is Twitter. So you can see the views as well, 2 views. So that topic is in demand, and people are clicking the topic and they are coming to your blog. So, but this blog is not looking good. Like we are not having a lot of menus or something like that here. So what I need to do, I need to add that also. So for this, we need to configure this block. So for as if now we close this, and we close this also, and we close this also, right? So we go to our configuration of the block. So we need to go first for the setting. There are few settings you need to do. This is the title if you want to change the title. So digital Sandeep, you can put the title like this, and you can save. And the language you need to select. if you are posting some adult content, something like that, which require age verification, you need to check this, turn on this. But it is initially, if anybody want to open your blog, so that time they need to confirm that that they are over the age of 18. And this is favicon. Favicon is what you can see the icon over here, the small icon on the top of every website. So this is favicon. That should be in a proper resolution. That resolution is given, and the size is also square. This image should be square. This should not be like we are having some dimension, different dimensions on both the sides, and it should be lesser than the 100 KB, equal to or lesser than the 100 KB. So you need to select an image which is square enough, and that should be having something like that. Oh, I need to search the image. My drive, Sandeep Singh. Uh, so here I have some images like that. Now I need to search image. As if now I'm not having any square image. So once we have it, we can directly put there, and that can be, yeah, I am having this image. So might be this can be work on there, but I think this is not good image for the blog because this is having some different name, and we can save that. So that favicon is updated once whenever you open your blog. So that that would be updated initially. It will not reflected immediately, but yes, later on it will be reflected over there. So, and blog address, you can see this would be the blog address which you have decided. And if you have any custom domain, HTTPS is that should be turned on always. Should not turn off, because a lot of systems are not allowing him the pages which is not having HTTPS. So this is a thing you need to add over here. Nothing to do with this. Nothing to do with this as well. Okay, you need to select the time zone here. This is showing Los Angeles. So we know that 5:30 Kolkata is our time zone that you need to find out, and you need to select that time zone only because you are in India, right? So you need to select that. I think here it is 5555. Yeah, standard Kolkata. This would be the time zone for India. Need to select that, and the enable search description. Yes, you need to enable that, and you need to add this. So what you need to add, whatever you want to provide, that this should be a meta for your blog. Whenever if anybody want to search your blog, so they can search by entering the meta information. So this should be the meta data about data. So it is data about the blogs which you have entered over here. So you need to enter the data like something like that. Digital Sandeep. So it is digital. Education you can write. Digital marketing you can write. Whatever the information you are going to deliver through the blog, that you need to update here. So digital marketing, SEO, you should write over here. Just a minute.
घर जाना है घर जाना है
Yeah, sorry for interruption. So what I need to do, yeah, I need to enter the information of the like digital media or anything information about the blog or digital content, or you can write social media. So you need to separate your words by this, or you can write a sentence over there. So am I audible to everyone, right? So this, you need to save the information. And here we have, this is custom redirect for 404. Right now we are not having any paste which can be redirected over here, but still, and that you need to turn on. This you need to turn on every time. This you need to turn on these two settings. Whatever setting I'm telling you, that you need to turn on, and you need to find that this robot.txt. What is that? It is a file which you need to add over here. So once you need to, for this, getting that file, what you need to do, you need to click on view blog. And once you click on the view blog, you will root here. And after your blog address, you need to add this robot.txt. Once you add this, it will give you a textual file here. So that you need to, that content you need to copy. I will show you that how it looks like, but initially it is not generated. After 10 days or 15 days, that would be generated. So you can add this robot.txt after 10 to 15 days or 8 days might be, it will take some time to do so. And once it will be displayed over here, then you need to add. So how it looks like, I will show it to you. Uh, I will take you some other blog of mine. Like I'm having this for this news and update I might be having. So if I go here, so I can see the information like, yeah, I'm having this robot.txt here, post template here. Where is that robot.txt? After this, meta is added. You can see for this meta is added. Latest news, because this blog is about news and all. And the custom robot.txt, this is added here. So how I am getting this? So what I'll do, I'll select this custom.txt. Again, I need to click on the view blog, and then I need to enter / and robot.txt, enter. So you can see that this is displayed because this blog is older than a year. So I'm having, this is generated after 10 days or 8 days or might be 15 days. Don't worry about this. Don't get panicked. You need to copy that and you need to add this here. So once you click here, you can paste this. So that will be updated robot.txt. The same way you need to do with the this same blog which we have recently created. So these steps are very important. Why I'm telling you? Because if you're generating a blog with your website, so that is done by automatically. But being a digital marketing expert, or so you should know the process, what how these things are going to be listed. Just posting a blog is not enough. If you really want to connect this with your different account and you want to earn money from this blog or your writing, so you need to configure this. So yeah. This is digital learning and innovation. Oh, this is added. Why? Okay. Is this the same blog? I need to check that. Just a minute. No, this is different blog. So, yeah. Might be having a lot of blogs here. Just a minute. Digital Sandeep. Yeah, this is the blog. So again, we go to setting. And one more important thing is there. Once you add, this is the custom add.txt that you need to add. So once you click on that, it will ask for ID that that you will get from that I will tell you the from where you are getting. Initially, we go for some more advanced option. So this is home page tags. So you need to check all and save. Here you also need to check all and save. This is also going to check all and save. And this is Search Console. Once you click on Search Console, it takes you to a page which is a Search Console. What is that exactly? It will submit your request that what need to be crawled, where need to be crawled out. So once you click here, so you need to add the URL here. Confirm the property that you own that URL. So URL of what? A URL of blog. Yes. So we need to select this, Control C, select that URL and Control C. And here we need to paste here and continue. So it will give you confirmation that is submitted for Google Search Console, and then it is going to be searched. And Google might be after 2-3 days, or might be tomorrow by today evening, the crawler of Google comes to your page, and it will check for the technical configuration, whether it is a good page, healthy page or not. So they will check over here. And apart from this, we can even configure this blog also. So once I click on this, so I'll get an address for this. So this is the address for this blog. And what are the previous address? That is for your blog address, right? So this is the post which you have done on the blog. You need to again select the URL, copy it, and you need to again add this very property. So here you need to add the property. Here you should not do that, because it is for the website. If you are having a website, and then you want that crawler should come to your page and index your page, check for the indexing. So that there you can add the website, but we keep it aside. We go it by this option later on, and you need to continue for this. So now we have submitted, and we have confirmed that I am the owner of this page and I have created the page. But here one more thing we are having with us. We need to select the blog first. Where is the blog? Yeah. So here we need to update the sitemap. This is most important thing you need to do. It is having the configuration of sitemap. So what you need to enter here, this is very important step. Don't forget, after posting any blog or writing any blog, and you have posted it and make it available for public, what you need to do, you need to add sitemap.xml. So this you need to remember every time, and this you need to submit, right? Once you submit, you can see I have posted one blog. So it is showing me, it will discover one page over here respect to this blog, right? So it will update it to the sitemap. Uh, Basically, when crawler comes to your page, it will also check for your sitemap configuration, and it will check that whether that entry is made there also. So every time you are posting a blog, you need to update the sitemap, right? And you also can check a lot of information here, like pages right now, because pages listing will take a lot of time. It is not reflected immediately. So don't worry about it. This will show you later on. After 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, it may take more than that. Once the crawler come to your blog, they will check. Keep posting. Don't stop posting your. But after every post, what you need to do, you need to add this property, and by that you need to add the URL. And another thing, you need to update the sitemap. Right. So this two things is very important. You need to do as a digital marketing expert if you are posting any blog here, or for any blog you can do it for, and you can add that property to your this Google Search Console. Basically, why this is there, and you also can validate. We'll check that URL inspection. So we can go ahead with the URL inspection as well. This is the URL of our blog, so we can check that. We put here, and we can go with the URL inspection process. So you can see URL is not on Google. Yes, it is not on Google because requested not submitted. It will take so much of time to submit the request because we have initially submitted, but it will take time. But now if I want to submit the request, so I can request indexing. So I am requesting Google to index my page, to index my blog, right? Why I'm making this terminology clear, because that is very important to understand as a digital marketing expert, right? So it is now the request is submitted to the Google for indexing. So you can see that indexing request submitted. You can submit that again, and these are the parameters. I have talked about sitemap. So not referring sitemap detected initially, but once the crawler comes, you can see we have already submitted the sitemap. So it will check for that. And also you can go with the option right side on the top, test live URL. You can test the live URL as well. And keep always do not copy any content from directly from ChatGPT or any other AI generative platform. You can say now this URL is available within because we force to index that, but still validating process is still pending. Whether your blog is healthy or not, that will be display here. So if I want to show it this, so I will take you one of my blog on which I have posted a lot of images. So the pages have, you can see this will be shown here, and some are failed, some are page with redirection option. So a lot of errors you are seeing. Later on, you need to handle these errors as well. If you see the sitemap, you can see 44 submitted. That means 44 posts made on this. Even you can again do that sitemap.xml, right? So again, we have not added anything, so it is 44 only. And this way you can check the page experience. A lot of things are there options, but mainly you need to add. You also can check that total impression, like on which date, how many people have visited to your blog and gone through your blog. So a lot of options are there. Even you can connect this with the Google Analytics as well. So once you connect this blog with Google Analytics, so you will get a detailed report about your blog, that how many of the people have visited, the age group, the device, and a lot of things. So this is about how to write a simple blog and configuration settings. This monetization I will take you later, or I'll take you that because it is a separate topic, but we'll cover this with that topic and you understand that. Earnings, you can go here. So this is the part exactly. And you need to connect with AdSense. So remember one thing, if you are having AdSense account, so that should be created with one email ID only. Got my point? And through that one email ID, you can connect multiple account. So don't worry about this key that for each account you need to create multiple AdSense account. No. So you need to create one AdSense account. You can add multiple blogs, YouTube, website onto the same account, and you can check the status. So why this AdSense account is there? Because if you are writing a blog and your blog is going to be famous, right? And you want to earn something by placing some ad on the blog. So what you can do, you can decide that where that ad is going to be posted. You can decide this is the page sample. For example, I'm taking this is the page. Here is the blank space. Here is the blank space. Here is the blank space. So I confirm Google that he please consider my blog for paying me or putting the ad. So, and you decide that on which area of the page that ad is going to be displayed. So you select that, and once you confirm to the Google, so it will check for the validation process whether your blog is eligible for that or not. If your blog is not eligible for that, so that means the ad is not going to be displayed till then. So there are some minimum criteria for that. So some views every day and all, the engagement with the crowd, the type of the blog, and so all technical issues are there. Technical configuration are there. So that you need to clear it as like examination. You need to clear that examination, and then only they will put some ad over here, and they will check that how much revenue they are getting through by placing ad on your page, and how many clicks they are getting. That is their process, like they're doing. And if actually that works, so they will pay you into your AdSense account. So whatever income you are going to get in AdSense account, you are going to get in through that only. So that we will cover later, that how we can create a AdSense account and how we can configure that. As if now, this is enough. So most important thing which we have talked about, this is look a little sluggy and it is not looking good. So we can change the theme as well. On left panel you are having the option themes. So on these themes you can click, and a lot of themes you are having. Like if I select any of the theme, this look good. So I can direct apply, and it is applied successfully. And once you refresh this, you can see your theme is going to be changed. But again, I feel that this is not good, and I want to get some another theme. So we have a website. A lot of websites are there. So they are giving you free templates. So these are the templates, but you need to configure these templates, right? And that is again a tedious task. But don't worry, it gives you look and feel like a website. You can see the blog like this. You can see this look like this, or you can see the demo as well if you want to see this. So this will give you menu, and the top menu, even this is giving the left panel, and this gives you the right panel as well, and you can see that blog is here. If you like that the color of the theme on of this, you can also configure that, but I will look for some different theme. uh, to understand, we take one right now, right? And later on we configure that. So it is, we look take this. So we need to click on download, and we can go with a free download, and you need to save this. At present, I'll say save here on one of my folder, save. And this again downloaded in a zip format. So you need to go to the folder and you need to unzip this. So we take a tool to unzip it. So it is unzipped now, right? So this is the initial step we need to do. And now we move to our blog, right? And we want to add our theme over here. So for this, we need to go here, customize theme, and we need to click on restore theme. It will ask for upload. So once you click on upload, so we need to go to the folder which was unzipped by us. So this is the folder. And in this folder, I need to select the XML file. So here you can see this is XML file. So we need to select that file and open it. So you can see it is restoring, right? It is showing you restoring. So now your image, your blog is restored. And once you again click on this blog, you can see the feel and look is now changed. And here we are not having some menu, but we can add that, right? So this look like this. And if you really want to configure this again, so that you need to go with this customize layout option on the left side, right? So there is an option over there, layout. It completely looks like a website. Even you can configure the Google form and you can get the feedback from your users, and you can ask them to follow, or you can make a lot of things are there. A lot of options are there even, right? So we go with the page menus. So it is showing that this right now we are having this only. If you want to add some another menu, you can add. So what would be the page name? Blog, social, you can add about us, right? So what would the page address? We have not created the page, right? So initially we save this. We have not added anything into it. So right now we keep hash over here because it will not move so anywhere. And if what I want to add social, social media account if you want to add, or anything you can add, team and all, whatever the top menus you want to create, you can create. So I'll even we need to link the page later on, remember that. And if you want to create some menu, then you need to add underscore, right? So we are having a parallel menu, right? So contact us. So right now we keep this only, and we see that how it is going to reflect on the page or not. So into save that. Once you save that, this is the page. We need to check this. So you can see you got all the menus on the top, right? So by layout option, you can configure that entire theme. So we have created the page like contact us, about us, and all. So we need to create that page as well, right? So from where we will create the page. So there is an option on the left side. Page option is there. There you can create a page, right, for contact us, right? So you need to put the title, obviously contact us, right? And you need to give some search description, contact digital Sandeep blog, right? That you can add custom robot text. We keep it default, right? And so we need to add something over here, right? So you can add some Google form if you have created, or if you want to add the WhatsApp like I've shown you. Uh, just a minute. News and update. So here we have some pages. So there is a contact us page, right? We need to click on this. And here we have something. We go to the HTML view, and here we have a code for that. So this is the code. So we have selected HTML view from here, and we need to copy this code, right? Control C, and we move to our blog. If we want to add this as a uh, contact us, right? So we make it like major heading, and we put it into the center line. And now we want to add the code which we have copied. So there is an option over here. This is we are working with the composer view, right? We are having a HTML page view. You can add something into the, you can see that whatever we have added, that is converted into the code as well. So you can just put enter, and you can write this code. So what happened with this? Let's check this. Now we go with the composer view, and we publish this page, and we confirm that. So how it is going to look like? So we need to click on this, and it is in a view mode. Now you can see there is a WhatsApp button added over here, right? So now if anybody want to connect you, they can connect you with the WhatsApp. This thing is there, right? So how you can configure the number for the WhatsApp, that on which number they are going to connect you. So we have something in this code. You need to just update. You should have a business WhatsApp for this. And here we are having number. So this is the number where you can update the number. Don't remove this quotes before and after. Just change this +91 and number. So just change it, and that start working. If you open it into the mobile phone, directly that WhatsApp icon is going to be displayed over there. So you can see this WhatsApp. So what you are doing exactly, you are creating an interactive page. Also, you can create some Google form, and you can add that Google form on the page as well. And the embed code, through the embed code, you can do that. So this is the blog. If you click on contact us blog, so contact us page, still there is a hash. So we have created one page over there, and now we need to add that page, right? Right now we have the link of this page. So what we need to click, select this, copy, and we need to add this to the layout, right? So we have menu over here. So we have contact us menu, need to edit this and add the URL for the page which you have created right now, contact us page, right? So you need to save this and save this. So what happened now? Once we move to the home page, so now we have linked contact us page with this menu, right? So once we click on contact us, you can see the pages here, right? And we are having the WhatsApp icon. If you move to the home page, there is no WhatsApp icon. This is the home page of your blog. Again, you can configure that. So today we have understood that how we can play with the blogger thing. Blogging is a really big topic, and a lot of things are remaining with that also. Later on, in my next lecture or session, I can say, we will configure this entire left menu and right menu as well. So I request you to create blog, something like that, and do whatever we have discussed today, and that might be help you to understand the process uh, of your blog, that how it is looks like and how it is going to be configured. We have posted this to the Twitter, so that have some views over here. So you can also increase it by sharing on the Telegram channel or your WhatsApp groups, who are really interested. So you can develop any kind of blog of your interest, and please spend time. Don't stop updating that blog. But what happen exactly? People they create blog initially, but later on they stop posting content over there. But if you are really having any hobby or something like that, you need to post your content. You can see that we have marked this into the two option, digital marketing and SEO, that will be displayed over here also. And here also somewhere you are getting the list of that also, that index list. So you can see this categories of the blog, that so you can add multiple categories. If you go with my news blog, you might be seen, you can see the category over here. Just a minute. Yeah. So if you open that, so there are so many categories, because this is a news blog. Every day I used to update 4 to 5 2 or 3 news here. So that can be in that way you can configure that. If you can see, the I will open one of the blog. So I have added images, videos, and external link, right? So that people can also move out of this also. And I have added my social media account here and other blog links as well. I have added about us page. Even I have added a privacy policy that need to be added, that what should be your privacy policy for the blog, that you need to be added over here. So contact us page is there, home page is there. So in that way, I used to configure my blog. Even you can create it in more innovative way by adding some tables or something like that. That totally depend upon you. So that is now that is for today. And in our next session, we will discuss about more blog things and how we can write a blog on a website. So that is again a different thing, and configure SEO over there is a different thing. It is not as lengthy we are doing with this. That was very simple, and we take WordPress also, and we take some website blog also. Thank you so much for today. That's it for today. So anyone is having any question?